The dark web is a reality that has existed since the beginning of the internet. While there's a load of information indexed on the web and easily accessible by anyone with internet connectivity, irrespective of geography, there's even more information and data that does not come to your notice because it is hidden and requires special privileges to access. This uncharted part of web is called the dark web. Information on the dark web is not defined by regulations and content policies. Moreover, web pages serving information on the dark web do not appear on search engine result pages or SERPs, like those of Google and Bing, because they're hidden and not indexed. Therefore, the dark web includes information that is not easily accessible by everyone. Besides, the web pages serving up information on the dark web are marked unsafe by browsers and do not open on regular internet browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and Safari. Dark web is also home to all sorts of information, but it has gained a bad name because of the prevalence of widespread illegal content such as illicit pornography, sale of black market drugs, sale of illegal firearms, illegally acquired user databases, etc. The availability of such illegal content makes the dark web a playground for nefarious activities. Among positive use cases, investigative journalists are able to gather information from sources using dark web without risking their identity. Whistleblowers use it to expose corruption at corporations and in governments. While accessing the dark web itself is not illegal, using the dark web for acquiring illegal content or procuring prohibited items is illegal. For example, surfing the dark web is not illegal, but if you procure pirated copies of movies and games, it would be illegal. Similarly, accessing information would not be illegal unless the information is classified and can be a potential security risk to a nation. Using the dark web to access illicit content like child pornography or to procure prohibited items like drugs and guns would also be illegal. To access dark web safely, one needs a specialized software with built-in peer-to-peer networking support, besides other browser features. Currently, softwares like Tor and I2P support these. There are web browsers with added tools to encrypt web traffic for safety and security. It is possible to access the dark web anonymously through such software. Additionally, virtual private networks add another layer of security here. However, it must be noted that these softwares do not offer foolproof protection. As a best practice, one should not reveal their real identity on the dark web. Also, one should not use any banking or other financial services through such software.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.